Welcome to Polystitch channel. Many of us have thrown away fabric leftovers after finishing a big sewing project. In this video, you'll see how you can use the small pieces of fabric to create a useful household item. Step 1. Let's start your work at the ironing board. Choose and cut the base fabric in a rectangular shape. 25 by 40 centimeters, which is approximately 10 by 16 inches. Step 2. Take Vlizoline. Cut it 2 to 3 centimeters bigger than your base and place it on top of the base, with the sticky side on top. Step 3. Pizza time. Imagine you're a cook or an artist and pour the colorful pieces of fabric onto your basement in any ornament you like. Make sure your fabrics are laying in a flat layer and no extreme hills are visible. Step 4. A piece of satin, tulle, or organza is what you need at this step. Take a piece of transparent fabric, cut it the same size as your Vlizoline and place it on top of the pizza. Step 5. Take a piece of cotton fabric, wet it, and place it all over the pizza. Iron with hot stream, gluing and fixing all the pieces together. Step 6. When the fabrics cool down, take the cotton fabric away. Step 7. Align the fabrics and pin them together. Cut the sides to match the base fabric. For more comfort, you may want to attach an extension table to your sewing machine. Step 8. Get to your sewing machine and stitch the fabrics together. Feel free to make any lines that come to your imagination, trying to stitch all over of the pizza pieces. Step 9. Diagonally cut 3 cm wide strips of any color you like to make the frame or the bias binding around your pizza lunch mat. Turn the long edges inside, wrap and pin the stripe around the edge of your lunch mat. Sew the bias binding onto the fabrics. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.